So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and try to search for the phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, what you have to do is to tap on it to open it. After that, scroll a little bit and tap on apps and notifications. After tapping on your apps and notifications, what you have to do next is to tap on see your apps. After tapping on your see your apps, just scroll a little bit and you're going to find Amino app. So just tap on the Amino app, and after that, what you have to do when you get to this section is to tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache, go back and also tap on force stop. Tap on OK, and after that, make sure this permission are all allowed when you tap on the permission app. So go back from the permission and tap on notifications and make sure these show notifications are all toggled on. You have to make sure it's turned on, as you can see. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on. After doing this, go back and go to your Google Play Store and try to see whether you have the latest update of this app. When you don't have the latest update, you're going to see update over here. As you can see, you're going to see update over here. But when you can see open over here, which means you have the latest update, so what you have to do is to restart your device. But if you don't have the latest update and you can find update at this section, what you have to do is to try to update your app. So to update it, just tap on it and you're going to get the latest update. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on your file button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.